Well, hello. Welcome to my 7-Eleven. So I'm going to surprise my bird Pepe with another bird shower. He's ruined his other two because he's chewed the actual power cord that operates the pump. So I got him another one, so let's unbox it and see what he thinks. So where did I get this bird shower, you ask? I got it on SHEIN. It's an Asian kind of like online shopping platform. And like I said, it's his third one. So they're really relatively cheap to get. About maybe, I think the smaller size was 200 NT, and I got him the bigger one, so it was about 300. And pretty much it's like a bird shower that, you know, birds love to keep themselves clean, and it has like a little bar that water comes out of, and he likes to just frolic and just kind of get himself clean and preen his feathers. So just hope he likes it. He's very excited because right now he's just been using the tub part of it from his last shower, and he's just been dunking himself in it. He much prefers using the shower, so hopefully he'll like this one. Hey buddy, I'm home. I have a surprise for you. Everyone, here's Pepe. Hi, Pepe. I got you a surprise. Are you ready to see your surprise? Okay, so let's unbox the sucker. Are you ready, Pepe? Do you see it? Do you see what I have? Look at this! So pretty much what it is like a tub, like this. It has a grate for the water to go through. And here's the pump, here's the tube, here's the shower head. Goes in like this, and what he likes to do, he always likes to perch on here, and he always can't have it on for too long because he'll perch on here and he'll fly off and he'll like spin the shower head and get everything wet. So let's put this together. Here's the pump. Here's the pump system. This on. Pepe, no chewing. Do not chew this. So yeah, he likes to chew the cord, and the cord will break obviously because his beak is really sharp, and then there's no power supply, and the pump won't work anymore. So let's put this together. So it has suction cups on the bottom of this pump feature, so it just sticks to the bottom. And goes on like so. Through the little hole at the top of the grate. This one. Snaps together like that. also has a little nozzle feature and a little knob feature at the top here that you can turn the water on and off. Okay, and done. That's it. So I'm gonna fill this up with water and we're gonna watch Pepe use his shower for the very first time. Alright, so we got Pepe in place. The shower, I filled the water and we're gonna turn it on full blast so we can get inside. Just like that. Here you go, buddy. Wanna go check out your shower?
You don't know what you just did. 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 Saw your phone light up at 1 a.m. Thought you were asleep, but not again, not again. Now I'm scrolling through your DMs, friend. Oh yeah. This is where your little story ends. It's over. I was super chill, I played it right. So right. I was in the dark, you had the light. But now I see it all in black and white. And baby, you're in for a nasty fight. Now I ain't playing, no, I ain't a game. I'm changing all the rules in your last name. I'm about to light a match and start a flame. So everyone will scream your shame. I'm cutting up your credit card tonight. I ain't gonna stop till everything's inside. That's right, I'm gonna start a fire, burn it bright. I'm gonna win this fight tonight. I'm gonna win this fight tonight. I'm gonna win this fight, a fight that you can't win. A fight that you can't win. I'm still online, the bid is getting hot. So hot for that new console that you just bought. Click. So I'm clearing out this entire spot. You're coming home to everything you're not. I'm getting wild now, I'm getting loud. So loud. I'm getting noticed by the whole damn crowd. And I can't believe you were so proud of all the lies you wrapped up in a shroud. Is he lying? Man, I already know. I know. I'm looking around for something else to throw. I'm cutting up your credit card tonight. I ain't gonna stop till everything's inside. That's right, I'm gonna start a fire, burn it bright. I'm gonna win this fight tonight. I'm gonna win this fight tonight. I'm gonna win this fight, a fight that you can't win. A fight that you can't win. You don't know what you just unleashed, but I really don't care in the least right now. If you don't show, I'm gonna huff and puff and burn this kingdom down. Burn this kingdom down. Burn this kingdom down. Burn this kingdom down. Gonna burn this kingdom down. Ooh, I'm cutting up your credit card tonight. I ain't gonna stop till everything's inside.
Well, obviously this is 2 thumbs up for the shower, so that's the end of this vlog. Please like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye! Say bye, Pepe. He's busy.